Hi friends! Today's video regarding Blackview BL9000 rugged smartphone.
When I'm running, I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend.
The Blackview BL9000, the future's rugged mid-range smartphone. Blackview has consistently led the way in innovation in the fast-changing smartphone industry. The Blackview BL9000, their latest product, is no exception. This mid-range smartphone, with its impressive features and rugged design, is intended to meet the needs of both professionals and outdoor enthusiasts. The Blackview BL9000's elegant and sophisticated design will undoubtedly catch the eye. Users can immerse themselves in stunning visuals with a resolution of 1080 by 2460 FHD+ on a large 6.78-inch LCD IPS display. The remarkable 120 Hz refresh rate ensures fluid transitions and scrolling, enhancing the overall user experience. The display's maximum brightness of HBM 600 candelas per square meter allows for clear visibility even in direct sunlight. The Blackview BL9000 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8020 processor, which uses a 6nm architecture. This cutting-edge processor is capable of handling even the most demanding tasks with ease. Users can expect lightning-fast multitasking and ample storage space with 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 512GB of UFS storage 3.1. The BL9000 is a mid-range powerhouse, and its impressive Antutu score The BL9000's robust design takes durability to a new level. Because it is made of premium polycarbonate, this smartphone can withstand even the harshest conditions. Corning Gorilla Glass Victus adds to its already impressive scratch and drop resistance. The BL9000 is notable for its 1.32-inch rear screen, which allows users to easily access notifications and other important data without unlocking their phone. Corning Gorilla Glass 7 Victus users can be confident that their device will withstand even the most arduous conditions thanks to its additional protection. The Blackview BL9000 also excels in terms of audio. With two Harman Kardon Smart PA speakers, this smartphone provides unparalleled immersive audio. Whether you're playing games, watching videos, or listening to music, the BL9000 delivers vivid sound that captivates your senses. The BL9000's cooling system prevents overheating when used for extended periods of time, ensuring peak performance. This feature is particularly useful for gamers and heavy users who require consistent performance without sacrificing device longevity. The Blackview BL9000's dual camera setup allows users to capture stunning photos and videos. The primary camera features a Samsung GW3 sensor with an f/2.0 aperture and a resolution of 64.0 megapixels. Using ISOCELL technology, this sensor produces excellent image quality even in low light conditions. The primary camera has 13.0 megapixels and is accompanied by a wide-angle and macro lens with an aperture of f/2.2. This lens allows users to capture detailed details or vast landscapes with exceptional clarity. The BL9000 features a front-facing camera with a Hynix High 5021Q sensor for selfie enthusiasts. This camera's 50-megapixel resolution allows you to easily take beautiful self-portraits. Given Blackview's experience with smartphone photography, users can expect outstanding results. The Blackview BL9000's impressive 8800 mAh battery capacity is one of its most notable features. Thanks to its powerful battery, users can enjoy longer usage times without having to constantly recharge their device. The BL9000 also supports 120-watt fast charging, allowing users to quickly reload their batteries if necessary. This smartphone's ability to reverse charge extends its utility by allowing users to charge other devices while out and about. The Blackview BL9000 makes no compromises when it comes to connectivity. With dual SIM support, Bluetooth 5.2, USB host 3.0, NFC, Wi-Fi 6, 802.11ax, GPS, L1 plus L5, and NFC, users have all the tools they need for seamless data transfer and communication. To summarize, the Blackview BL9000 will redefine the definition of a tough mid-range smartphone. With its amazing design, strong hardware, incredible camera capabilities, and wide range of connectivity options, this smartphone meets the needs of those looking for a durable and dependable device. The BL9000 is ready to be your go-to companion, whether you're a business professional or an adventurous traveler. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. See you in the next video.
At 29 and I find myself wondering, what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again.